so we can all learn 3D design and printing and see how awesome it is as a technology. In the 3D for jewelry section here, our course will entail everything from designing pendants from scratch to making tangible models that can actually be sold out in the market. I'd love it if you would take this course and learn more about innovation and design thinking using Fusion 360 and how you need slicing and all other things in order to make something as simple as a jewelry. So let's get on and see what we can do.